Yo, what's up everybody? In today's video, this is going to be a video on a haircut tutorial that I'm doing. This is going to be a burst fade tutorial that I'll be doing all the way through. For those of you that's looking to learn how to do a burst fade, want to learn how to tighten up your burst fade, this video is for you. It's just a simple quick breakdown on how I get my blends, how I set my guidelines, how I cut down the length of my client's hair, the detail steps, the hot towel shaves, the straight razor, just providing a quality service overall. Adding details, design, a small simple design to my client's burst fade here. This is not actually a full in-step tutorial. I do have the full step tutorial with voiceover included in my school community. I'll put the link below so you guys can click that link and shoot over to schools to watch the full edited video on this burst fade haircut. Like I said, it's a full voiceover video. This is just a small breakdown video. This video is about I would say a small short little clip video. It's only like 3 minutes, but on the actual school community I have the whole video up there on there. It's a 26-minute video. So I asked some of you guys on my Instagram feed, which videos do you prefer better? Is it short videos that you guys like watching as far as like tutorials, or do you guys like the longer ones? This one that I did at this haircut, it's just a short tutorial, just letting you guys know that this video is available on my school community. The school community is just $50 a month. You get access to me and a community of other members, like-minded members on there, the whole bunch of other barbers and stuff like that. So we'll be sharing wins, things to help us grow in the community. I'll be sharing haircuts, how to raise your price, how to get paid partnership deals like I did when I did a paid partnership deal with Old Spice, and my current one that I'm doing now with Red Pro. So I'll go ahead and leave the link below there for you guys to check out. Like I said, there'll be full tutorials on there showing you guys step-by-steps on how you guys can grow your social media accounts as well, how to raise your prices and things like that, creating your own product, and much more. You'll get weekly calls from me on Zoom call, being there active with other people in the chat, or other people in our community. So yeah, go ahead and check that out. I hope this haircut, just a look through, gives you kind of an example of if it's something that you want to learn. If it's something you want to learn, go ahead and click that link below, and I'll see you guys on the inside. Peace.